if a woman has been physically active and is following some sort of an exercise regime pre-pregnancy,
Okay.
we don't particularly ask them to stop that regimen during the first 3 months of pregnancy, provided there are no complications as such, that she's not experiencing like a threatened miscarriage or anything of that sort. So physical activity, in fact, is very, very beneficial for the pregnancy as well. So that can be continued. But for women who have not really exercised before the pregnancy, then we don't ask them to start any new exercise during the first 3 months. So second trimester is the time by which we are we've done our basic ultrasonography. We know, you've cleared out all the contraindications, and we know symptomatically also the patient doesn't have any things which are going to, be against exercise. Then second trimester is a good time to start with some sort of an exercise routine. Okay, and it should include a mix of everything. So something light cardio, which is like, making your heart beat a little faster, which is like your brisk walking. Or don't start with brisk walking. If you're not walking, start with just walking.
Okay.
Start for a few minutes and then slowly build up on it. Then if you're already in an exercise program, you can continue with that program. But you have to be mindful that now you're pregnant. So you need to have good hydration. Also, the exercise is going to generate heat in the body. So you have to take good pauses and allow the temperature to go back to normal. So I think the best thing is to listen to your body, to do, what intensity, what you can do, and, stop at that. Of course, I always propagate yoga because, it is the best, there's no high impact. You're doing those flexible movements, according to your own capacity.
Right.
And we have such beautiful scriptures which are telling us which asanas to follow in which trimester. I feel that's a wonderful thing to do. So as on a daily basis, I think you should practice yoga, you should do breathing exercises, you should do meditations, and whenever rest of the time walking is good, or any other kind of a light cardio where in which there is no contact, there is no high impact, that those kind of exercises. Swimming is a great exercise if you're sure about the hygiene and stuff like that. Then anything underwater is very low impact. So, those exercises are wonderful to do during pregnancy, especially starting in the second trimester.
Okay.
And then building it up.
Any kind of exercise which they should not be doing at all? Anything
Yeah, so
specific?
any kind of contact exercise where, you're likely to collide into people or collide into things, or anything which is going to have high impact on the body, on any of the joints. Typical sports and things are not something which we would advocate.
True.
Yeah. And of course, there may be certain medical contraindications also to exercise, like, if there is a low-lying placenta,
Okay.
if there is a evidence of premature contractions of the uterus where, you are worried about a threatened miscarriage, then those are the few contraindications which,
Right.
we have to take care of. So I think before starting any exercise program, it's good to consult with your doctor and, kind of
have a training into it. Like have somebody give you the exercise.
supervision. Yeah. Initially, it should be always under some kind of supervision.